So what is a browser anyway? We all use them every day. We might use Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and there's even a couple others out there that we run. A browser is a program that runs on your computer and displays documents that it can retrieve from the web, or even from your local computer. One of the key components is the address bar at the top. That's where we type in the address of the document that we want to retrieve. So why am I emphasizing that the browser is a program? It's because the documents it gets and what they look like on your screen are entirely different things. The documents themselves look something like this. Not very readable, not very understandable, but it's an HTML5 document. The browser is a program that knows how to take these documents and then display them. The information about how to display these documents is embedded in the HTML document itself. That is, the document has both content and instructions for the browser program so that the browser knows how to display the content. So this is what the document might look like that the browser gets, and then the browser program shows you something that might look like this. So the document is made up of a variety of technologies. And these include HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, JavaScript, which is the language we'll be learning, and CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets, which is a way of styling the documents that we're presenting. Styling or skinning or providing information about how we would like them to look. There are also a host of other technologies that are involved in creating an HTML5 document. And the HTML document can contain things like text, images, videos, and these images and videos and text can be retrieved individually from the web or locally from different servers, and even from other clients that are nearby. We can do animation, present audio, and we can even do audio synthesis. The browser program is getting more and more powerful every day. New technologies are being added that give it new capabilities. One of the recent ones is, in fact, an audio synthesis engine. So we can do audio synthesis right in the web without any plugins, without downloading anything, just by going to a web page that does synthesis computationally. There are thousands and thousands of libraries out there, and that's one reason why we can't just learn a language and then start working. Libraries provide facilities for doing all kinds of things, from 3D graphics to access to databases to collecting information about your actions. So we'll learn how to include libraries, and the HTML document itself includes information about where those libraries live so that they can be included, and the browser program knows how to display them. So as you can see, again, it comes down to communication. One of the key essential components of the browser is that it knows where to get the information that it needs in order to display the document properly. That information can come from tens or hundreds of different places, all to present a single document. This course will focus primarily on how to construct the HTML5 documents that the browser can display. A lot of the interesting things we can do with communications or writing for the servers instead of the code that runs locally on the computers, we'll leave to a later course. We'll understand the basics now, and with that, you'll be able to write documents that you can put on the web and anybody can look at in any browser anywhere in the world.